In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use PayPal at Walmart in-store. If you're a devoted PayPal user and are wondering how you can make your in-store shopping experience smoother, you're in the right place. Let's go over these simple steps to help you seamlessly use PayPal at Walmart. First, head to any Walmart store near you. Whether you need groceries, electronics, or are just in the mood for a bit of retail therapy, Walmart has you covered. Once you're there, browse the aisles and fill your cart with all the items on your list. Remember to double check for any deals or discounts that might be available, as Walmart is known for its budget-friendly prices. While shopping, you might be tempted to look for a way to use PayPal's QR code option at checkout. However, keep in mind that Walmart doesn't accept direct PayPal QR payments in its stores. So if you've used this payment method at other retailers, you'll need to switch things up here. Now, when you reach the checkout, it's time to pull out your PayPal debit card. This is the key tool you'll need to make your payment. At the payment terminal, simply swipe or insert your PayPal debit card. The terminal will prompt you to select either debit or credit. You will need to choose debit to proceed with the transaction. Once you've selected debit, carefully enter your PIN. This is crucial for authorizing the payment. It's just like using any other debit card. Your PayPal debit card is directly linked to your PayPal account, making it an efficient way to use your funds without carrying cash. Here's a handy tip for the tech-savvy amongst us. You can actually link your PayPal debit card to your Walmart Pay account through the Walmart app. By doing this, you can enjoy a faster checkout process, especially if you're someone who frequently shops at Walmart. The Walmart app provides a convenient platform to manage your payment methods, track orders, and even receive notifications on the latest deals. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily use PayPal at Walmart and enjoy the convenience it offers. Remember to keep your PayPal debit card handy for your next shopping trip. It's a straightforward yet effective way to integrate your digital finances with your everyday in-store purchases. Happy shopping!